we continue to look at how to use De Morgan's laws to write the negation of an inequality. So suppose we have an inequality -1 less than x less than or equal to 4. Well, so we can first of all split this statement into this compound statement into two. And so we can put it in the format of and or. So first inequality sign tells us -1 is less than x, or you can say x is greater than -1. And because x is a number between -1 and 4, so that means x has to meet both requirements, and x is less than or equal to 4. So this is a conjunction. So if we call the first inequality P, the second one Q, so the negation will be equal to, so if we do negation, we negate the first one, the first inequality, negate the second inequality, and we put or between them. So in that case, the first inequality, if we negate it, less than, x is greater than, -1 is less than x, which means the negation, the opposite would be -1 is greater than or equal to x. And the next symbol will be or, corresponding to that symbol. Negation of q, so we will take q statement, the inequality q, and we do the negation. So we need the negation of less than or equal to will be greater than. So we keep everything, but flip the sign. So this will be the negation of this inequality. And similarly, we can start with, for example, if we have something like an or statement. So if we have x is greater than 4, or x is less than or equal to -1. So in this case, when we do negation, so that would be P or Q negation would be equal to congruent to negation of P and negation of Q. So when we do negation of P, that's the greater than. So the negation of greater than would be less than or equal to. So we get x less than or equal to 4. This will be and negation of q, that would be negation of x less than or equal to -1. So we flip the sign, we get x is greater than -1. And if we put these two, combine these two, you can keep the answer like this, but if we combine them, put them into 1, that will be exactly, this x is, we move, -1 is smaller, we put it on the left side. 4 is bigger, so we put it on the right side. So x is greater than -1, less than or equal to 4. And as you can see, when we do negation of and statement, it becomes or statement. For or statement, the negation becomes an and statement.